Hi you all, today we'll be sketching a simple Bulbasaur. So grab your pencil and your eraser if you need it, and let's get started. Alright, Bulbasaur's kind of a weird one, but let's start with the head. So let's begin with an oval, kind of on its side. Nice big oval. And let's add a bit of a point on one side, so pick whichever side. And then down, kind of curving around that oval shape you already made. A little triangle ear up here, kind of like a cat, and a triangle over here. Here we need another kind of oval shape, but we're going to, from the ear here, curve down. From this area, a curve down, and back up, another oval basically. The stomach will kind of begin here with this line. And a curve here, basically forming another oval actually. Here in the background we'll have a curve for the foot. And here we'll have another kind of oval. Almost more like a circle this time. And as you can see, I've made my tail end too long, so I'll just keep following this leg up and make my slant a little bit less dramatic. Grab your eraser whenever you need to. Take out the parts you don't like. Great, let's keep going. On Bulbasaur's back, there's another kind of oval shape, but it has a kind of point here. So maybe kind of like a garlic bulb. Point and point. So basically 3 triangle points here. Curve here and here to connect it to the back. If you have lines that meet awkwardly, just try to fix them. So for example, that one was too close to my ear, so I'm going to try again. Perhaps I'll have it coming out of the ear, or seeming to. That way it's still short. Okay. Let's add little triangle claws, 3 here, one tiny one back there, 3 here, you can kind of round them up a little bit, and 3 here of course. You can draw a line, a curved line for the middle of the face to help you position the eyes, nose and mouth. Let's draw here and about here some little lines. Curve with a subtle point here for the mouth. And just follow that underneath it. You can make it wider if you like. And add 2 teeth. Here we can place some nostrils. Here the eyes are kind of like triangles, so we'll try to keep that. And an oval inside that space with a white inside that. Bit bigger on this side, but still kind of a curved triangle. Oval inside that space. And the white oval is more visible here. Curve here and here to indicate that eyebrow ridge area. And we can also begin to add in where the shapes are going to go. But keep in mind that you might want to clean up your lines first. I'll put them in the general area and then I'll go to clean them up. And grab another sheet of paper whenever you need to minimize your smudging. And I think that's about all I can see, maybe one little line here. So let's begin to erase back any extra lines or smudges and then trace. Remember, you can clean up your eraser by using the edge of your paper or another sheet of paper as well. Remember, you can do your tracing in pencil like I'm going to do, or you could use ink or marker, whatever you like. Maybe test out your materials on a different image, like a quick sketch. Make sure that you like the result. All right, I think I'm ready to begin tracing my line, so I'll do that now. Sharpen your pencil whenever you need to. I think this part's just a little flatter, so I'll try to add that in. Turn your page, of course, whenever it helps you. You could shade in that area if you'd like to. And you can shade in the spots if you prefer, or you can color those in if you are coloring yours. You can add a little bit of shading back here if you like, or once again, just color it. And you can add in some shading to the tummy area if you prefer, and this back foot. You can leave the eyes alone or lightly shade those in as well, or color them with red, whatever you like. And for mine, I will just add my little shadow. But if you all want to color yours, by all means do so. I think I am done with mine, so I'll put its name up here. Great job with this, you all. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please feel free to color yours if you like, and if you'd like to share your results, please do. Otherwise, see you all next time.